With COVID-19 positive cases being detected at Vasco's Mangur Hill and it being declared a containment zone, the port town itself could be sealed if the situation goes out of control. Goa sees heavy showers. More showers accompanied by strong winds are likely to be on Wednesday. Cyclone Nisarg to make a landfall south of Mumbai, says IMD. Goa Forward alleges that there is a scam in BOCW scheme meant for labourers, wants an investigation. Amidst a containment zone being declared in Vasco and the country seeing the highest spike in COVID cases, Goa BJP says Modi government is doing good job on COVID-19 containing terrorism. Hello everyone, I am Leena and now the news in detail. Monday saw Mangur Hill become a containment zone. Now entire Vasco would be sealed if the situation goes out of control, local MLA Carlos Almeida said on Tuesday. He said he has already spoken to Chief Minister and Health Minister in this regard. Murmagaon Municipal Council chairperson has also suggested sealing of Port Town. Here are the details.
Panic struck Vasco after some people were tested positive for coronavirus in Mangur Hill. Authorities swung into action and declared Mangur Hill as contaminated zone, sealing the entire area. Authorities are tracing the contacts who might have come in contact with these patients. Even a doctor who came in their contact was found positive. The Vasco MLA Carlos Almeida and NMC chairperson Nandadeep Raut has appealed people not to get panic and the administration is working in full swing. Our reporter was on the ground, Hiru Mahale, since Monday night monitoring the situation. Watch what they have to say.
Now since रातच्यान सगळे कंटेनमेंट झोन सगळे बॅरिकेड घालून लोकांक भायर सरोंक दिवना, तशेंच लोकांक भितर येवपाक दिवना आनी तशेंच व्हेहिकल्सूय अलाव करून दवरला. आतां सकाळसून हांगा डॉक्टर्स पावल्ले आसात, तशेंच स्वॅब टेस्ट चालू आहात आनी प्रत्येक एरियेनसून लोकांक अराउंड 20-50 अशे लोकांक हाडटात, तेंचे स्वॅब टेस्ट करतात. तशेंच जे तेंचे रिलेटिव्ह आसले तेंकाय तेंच्यांनी आयसोलेशन आनी जे कोण तेंच्या टचान येयल्ले ऑलरेडी आयसोलेशन रुमांत येयल्ले आसात.
एक्चुअली काल एक फॅमिलीक खंय तरी COVID-19 पॉझिटिव्ह सापडलेले आसा. तेका लागून रातचीच आमी काल रातीच फूल एरिया सील केलेली आसा. इवन हेल्थ ऑफिसर सकाळी येवन तेजे नेबरिंग जे पॉझिटिव्ह सापडला त्या घराक फूल नेबरिंग आमी चेकअप स्टार्ट केलेलो आसा. म्हाका दिसता आयज खंय तरी 200 केसीस इन्स्पेक्ट जातल्यो आनी हांवें मी रिक्वेस्ट केला आमच्या आमदाराक, तेणी हेल्थ मिनिस्टराक सांगचें की जाता तितले बेगीन हांगासरलें इन्स्पेक्शन जावचें. हांव रिक्वेस्ट करतां तसोच आमच्या आमदाराक आनी आमच्या हेल्थ मिनिस्टराक तसोच CMाक की सपोज गरज पडल्यार वास्कोन लॉकडावनूय करचें. सद्या तशें आजून सिच्युएशन येवंक ना आनी वास्कोकारांक रिक्वेस्ट करता की तेंच्यांनी पॅनीक जावपाची गरज ना. एक बरी गजाल आसा म्हटल्यार की वास्कोन काल कळयलें की एक डॉक्टर यादव म्हणून मांगुरान तेजें क्लिनीक आसा आनी तो पॉझिटिव्ह. हांव सांगूंक सोदता की वास्कोकारांक डॉक्टर यादव हो नॅगेटिव्ह जाल्लो, नॅगेटिव्ह तेजो रिपोर्ट येयल्लो आसा. तेका लागून ही एक बरी गजाल आसा आनी तेजे कोण कॉन्टेक्टान येयले तेंकां हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता की पॅनीक जावपाची गरज ना. इवन म्हाका तेंचे खुबशे पेशंट्सांनी फोन केले की आमकां चॅकअप करपाक जाय म्हणून. पूण हांव सांगूंक सोदता की तांकां चॅकअप करपाक गरज सद्या तरी गरज ना. आनी सपोज जाय पडलें जाल्यार आमी ऑलरेडी तेंची नांव नंबर नोट केले. आमच्या डॉक्टर रेशमीन हेल्थ ऑफिसरान ऑलरेडी नोट केलेले आसा.
Nothing to panic because people have recovered from COVID-19, the virus corona. In Goa there are many cases that people have recovered. So even these cases that are in Vasco, they will recover. Have faith in the government, have faith in the health department. The health department is doing an excellent job. Dr. Yadav was tested for the virus, was found negative last night at Dona Rati. He एक बरी गोष्ट. आणि म्हाका हांवें CM आतां फोन मारला. इवन आय कॉल्ड द सेक्रेटरी ऑफ हेल्थ एंड तालुका कलेक्टर. तांकां सांगला की ते व्हायरस समज स्प्रेड जाता बाय इवनिंग वी हॅव सील वास्को टोटल वास्को लॉकडावन करता. आमकां समज वाडले जाल्यार सो हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता हेल्थ मिनिस्टर ताका आतां पत्ता फोन केला आतां आनी ताका पत्ता एक फावट सांगता की इन केस दिस विल मल्टिप्लाय देन वील हॅव टू सील वास्को बाय इवनिंग. आतां सकाळीं तेणी चॅकींग स्टार्ट केला इन मंगोर कॅम्प कॅम्प only outside. I have to thank the owner of the hotel for giving the premises for us. It is just walking distance from the camp. So they will finish about 150 people by evening checking. So they want to check the neighbors, the family, the neighbors, and then they want to check the full area. So अनेक पण म्हाका विनंती करता लोकांक भास्करा, don't panic. Everything is under control and things will be normal in a few days.
Goa Shipyard has issued an order to its officers, supervisors and workers from Mangur Hill not to report for duty till further orders. It's Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 in Vasco.
High voltage midnight drama was witnessed at Daboli Airport during the intervening night of Tuesday when few passengers who arrived on repatriation flight Vande Bharat from Dubai to the Goa created an issue over paid quarantine facility. It was only after 4-hour-long arguments and intervention of police that finally passengers agreed to move to paid quarantine in Panaji and Kolwa.
The flight carrying nearly 155 passengers, out of which 14 were from Karnataka, 26 from Maharashtra and 115 all Goans, arrived at the Dabolim International Airport at around 12:30 midnight on June 1st-2nd. After which some of the passengers refused to pay for their quarantine facilities as they were standing in a queue to give their samples. The passengers raised concern over the charging of hotels. There were some people with medical requirements like dialysis, pregnant, and also some small kids who refused to go for a quarantine at the hotel, which raised chaotic situation. The chaotic situation prevailed at the airport, after which police and paramilitary force running the facility had to intervene. It was only after 4 hours long argument that finally the passengers agreed to move to a paid quarantine in Panaji and Kolwa. Watch this story here.
1,02,000 लोक येयला हिंगा तरी पूण हिंग गव्हर्मेंट रोडटा पयशा कांय सपोर्ट दिना फाल भुरग्यांक तेंगे पोटां भुरगे आहा कितें जाल्यार हूज रिस्पॉन्सिबल इज प्रमोद सावंत रिस्पॉन्सिबल बाय विश्वजीत राणेगे चेडू येयला ते कित्याक क्वॉरंटायन ना दुसऱ्या मिनिस्टरागे येयला कित्याक क्वॉरंटायन नाय फुली रुल्स फॉर दीस पुअर पीपल फॉर अस I have 2 stays. I have done operation for my heart surgery. I brought my wife here because she's pregnant. I can't take care. Hing in aning phana podlo obro. Are what I'm saying, you check. Nothing. This guy is telling, get your family members.
8-month pregnant lady there crying inside.
Business boys korba. From here to go Kolwa they asking 500.
Go for home quarantine as per the MHA guidelines. Test me. If I'm negative, please send me for home quarantine. I have a home. You can come, send someone and inspect my house. I have a baby. I cannot stay alone with him in any hotel. I don't know your hotels are good, your hotels are bad. I don't know what category of your hotels are. Just to save money, if I go for a cheaper hotel, if it's a B-grade hotel or some third-class hotel, I cannot guarantee you that.
जैसे होल्डी कर रहा है
Even me also see.
पेशेंट
आणि प्रेग्नेंट बायलो दोन जीव घरादाडा आमकडे पैसे ना आम्ही बेकार आहा
दे आर टेलिंग
3 महिने आम्ही बेकार
ते मोठाय प्रेग्नेंट वुमना हॉस्पिटलान धाडाय हॉटेलान धाडाय क्वॉरंटायना आणि हॉटेलान धाड उपरांत तुगे घरासून फॅमिली मेंबरां आपय ताका हेल्प करपा सो दॅट इज इन्क्रीजिंग क्वॉरंटायन और डिक्रीजिंग क्वॉरंटायन पयश करपा इफ वी आर पॉझिटिव्ह डायरेक्ट डोंट पुट हॉस्पिटल फोंडांक घाल भितर बट इफ नेगेटिव्ह सेंड होम ना कित्याक पयश करपा आमगे हितू येणारे हितू पयस धाडटाय वयत खूंय वी आर सेंडिंग रेमिटन्स हे ते पयस वयत खूंय गव्हर्मेंट ओनली नो टू टेक कांट हेल्प पुलीस इज सीइंग एंड टेकिंग सो मच ट्रबल आउटसाइड टू गो होम आनी हे घरा मनशां म्हणटाय यो आनी क्वॉरंटायन कर रेंज मारबर कोविडा मारबर दीस इज अ मेंटेलिटी ऑफ गोवन्स एंड कोण धांवन तो आय डोंट नो हिज नेम दीस फेलो he cannot solve the problem of people.
Okay, we actually have 3 groups of WhatsApp where we gather all the people. We have no support from the Goa government to come here. We have got help from Valencia. We have Altaf. We have a team who's been working with the embassy, with the MEA to get people over here. And today we have got a first flight. We are not even allowed to go home. We don't know what is happening empty airport. There is nothing organized. People are coming and telling us to give the passports. They're not even touching our passports. They're just making us stand. We have all the videos which we have. We don't know what is happening. It's almost 4 o'clock in the morning. We don't know where to go. There are pregnant ladies. There are kids are crying. We don't know what is happening. We have no support from the Goa government.
Definitely with the process of the government right now, I will be COVID positive. And this is really not fair, and the statements are kept on changing. This is not fair. We are preparing and we are coming here. We can't keep on changing the statements. And
It is Hiro Mahale for Goa 365 at the Dabolim International Airport.
57 policemen from the Kolva police station had to undergo a test for COVID-19 after one of the policemen from there came under the corona web. The policeman lives in Vasco's Mangur Hill, which has been declared a containment zone. All the test results have come negative.
The policemen from Kolva police station were tested for coronavirus at COVID-19 hospital in Margao on Monday evening. The Margao ESI hospital is also seeing lots of persons who have come from across the border being tested. Goa 365 went to both the ESI hospital and district hospital watch.
काल पुलिसिंग कोलवा पुलिस स्टेशन लायक पुलिस लोकांक हाडलेले टेस्टिंग करपाक आमकां कितें डिटेल्स दिवंक शकता तूं?
डिटेल दितले म्हणजे अराउंड सगळे स्टाफा काडलेले आसा भितरले कॉन्स्टेबल प्लस ऑफिस स्टाफ आसले.
Which Kolva police station? Was the policeman posted at the railway station? Anything in that? There are a lot of rumors flying.
ते मेळिल्ले त्या प्रमाणे माहिती प्रमाणे तो मडगांव ऑफिसान आशिल्लो ते.
मडगांव कोलवा
पुलिस स्टेशनाच्या ऑफिसान काम करता ताका आउटसाइड ड्युटी काय नासली. कोलवा पुलिस स्टेशनाचेर आशिल्लो.
ओके. नाव ते सगळे स्टाफ टोटल स्टाफा काढल्या आणि टेस्टिंग झाले टोटल स्टाफा काढल्या.
होय काल राती झाले टोटल स्टाफा काढून.
आणि आता कितें क्वारंटाईन केला तेंका परत धाडल्या?
रिपोर्ट काय रिपोर्ट येतको मागीर तेंका ते टोटल क्वारंटाईन तेणी सांगतले टेस्टिंग सद्या केल्ले आसा.
ना बट सद्याक आतां तेंका ड्युटीर धाडल्या? दे आर ऑन ड्युटी?
होय आसा ते आसा ड्युटीर आसा.
Sandeep Tuekar for Goa 365 from Margao.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Goa saw heavy showers on Tuesday. According to IMD office in Panaji, more showers will continue till 3rd of June, accompanied by strong winds.
People are advised to take precautions while venturing out as weak branches of trees could fall down. Also, fishermen are advised not to venture into sea till 4th of June. Cyclone Nisarg is likely to make a landfall at Alibag in Maharashtra on Wednesday. The Met Office in Panji has recorded 5 centimeters of rainfall at Sankli. IMD scientist Rahul M said by Wednesday the total rainfall over Goa is expected to be around 12 centimeters. He said the cyclone is actually moving away from Goa coast. Cyclone Nisarg is expected to make a landfall south of Mumbai on 3rd of June.
Today, that is 2nd of June, and tomorrow 3rd of June, Goa is very likely to receive heavy to very heavy rainfall. Very heavy rainfall stands for rainfall that is exceeding 12 centimeters in a span of 24 hours. So such 2 rainy days are going to be there in Goa today as well as tomorrow. And the main reason for this rain and wind is a severe weather system, cyclonic storm Nisarga. Its name is Nisarga, and that has formed over East Central Arabian Sea, which is at a distance of approximately 270 kilometers from Goa coast. This cyclonic storm is going to further intensify, but at the same time moving away from Goa coast again. So this system will keep on moving till tomorrow afternoon, and it will have a landfall. That means at a place Alibag in Maharashtra, near around Alibag, over North Konkan, Maharashtra. And when it is having landfall, the wind speed could be even up to the speed of 100 to 120 km per hour. Today and tomorrow wind speed are going to be, they are very likely to be up to 45 to 55 km per hour, gusting up to 60 km per hour. Regarding this wind, it is requested that people should be taken the necessary precautions in the sense when this speed of wind is there, there are chances that weak trees or weak branches may get broken off, or like if there are weak structures, there are chances that could create danger. ये strict warning है, strict request भी है fishermen से कि अभी up to 4th June, up to the end of 3rd June वो sea में मत जाए.
Ankit Narvekar, Irshad Sheikh, Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Panji and Margao.
India has reported a single-day jump of 8,171 cases in last 24 hours on Tuesday. This takes total tally to almost 2 lakhs. Country has seen jump over 8,000 cases for third consecutive day. 5,598 deaths are reported and more than 95,527 patients have recovered. 3 members of a family from Verla Kanka, including 2 children aged 1 and 3, also tested positive.
A single-day jump of around 8,392 COVID-19 cases were reported in India. In last 24 hours, around 230 deaths were reported and almost 3,902 patients have recovered. On the Goa front, the family had returned back to Goa via road. India has reported 1,99,757 COVID-19 positive cases till date, and active cases have crossed 97,000 mark. 5,612 deaths are reported and 95,875 patients have recovered. The cases have crossed 70,000 mark in Maharashtra and it's leading, followed by Tamil Nadu 23,495, Delhi 20,834 and Gujarat 17,200 cases. More than 1 lakh COVID-19 cases were reported worldwide in single day. The COVID-19 cases have crossed 63 lakhs mark. 3.77 lakh deaths are reported and more than 29 lakhs have recovered. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
Goa Forward has alleged that there is a scam in the BOCW scheme for labourers. They said that they had personally conducted an investigation into this and wanted the authorities to investigate further.
आता तुमका मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगले 14 एप्रिलला की जवळ 8,500 जे बिल्डिंग आणि कन्स्ट्रक्शन वर्कर असतात हांका 6,000 रुपये दिले गेले आणि काही लोकांक 4,000 दिलाय म्हणून, नाही 4,000 अदर लेबर्सांक दिल्यात म्हणून. आता हे अदर्स कोण आणि बिल्डिंग लेबर कोण हे आमकां खबर ना, पण चौकशी जेन्ना आमी करपाक लागले जाल्यार खूप काय गजाली आता भायर येवपाक लागले. जेन्ना आमच्या हाताक लिस्ट लागले की ज्यांका 6,000 दिल्यात, काही लोकांक 6,000 वयर दिल्यात, तेन्ना लिस्ट लागले, लिस्टाचो आमच्या टिमीन अभ्यास केलो जाल्यार हातून कळूंक येता की दिस इज नथिंग अनदर लेबर गेट स्कॅम. स्किमीचें नांव आसा बिल्डिंग एंड अदर कन्स्ट्रक्शन वर्कर्स म्हणून, पूण हांगा दिसता की हे पयशे जे आसात हे भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे वर्करांक दिल्ले गेल्ले आहा. जे नंबर दिल्ले गेल्ले, काही लोकांक खबरूच ना की तांच्यांनी स्किमीक एप्लाय केल्या. काही लोकांचे नाव वेगळे आसा, नंबर आसा, पूण बोलत्याकूच लागता फोन. आनी चडशे जे आसात बिचोली आनी साखळे एरियांनी दिल्ले गेल्ले आहा. जर तुम पयलो ऑडियो तुमी आयकात, जो वन ऑफ द बेनिफिशरीज म्हण सो कॉल्ड बेनिफिशरीज जे लिस्टान आशिल्ले ताजे हांव प्ले करता.
हॅलो
हॅलो
गोपाल हा गोपाल राठोड
हय कितें
मातसो उलोवपाक जाय न्हू.
हा घरान आसा
घरान तो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट घेता,
हा
कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट घेता तो, लेबर कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट घेता.
नो
कितें काम करता तो? ड्रायव्हर हा.
सो आमी ही कंप्लेंट जी आहा ही पंतप्रधाना पर्यंत पावयतले, लोक आयुक्ता पर्यंत पावयतले, कारण 6,000 वयर जवळ 1,940 लोकांक 6,000 वयर दिल्ल्या, जवळ 1,500 लोकांक 10,000 वयर पावयल्ल्या, 628 लोकांक 20,000 परस पावयल्ल्या, 300 लोकांक 30,000 वयर, 306 लोकांक 40,000 वयर अबाउट 9 lakhs जवळ जवळ 5 लोकांक दिल्ल्या. एक हेल्पर म्हूण दाखयला आनी त्या हेल्पराक 9,35,000 रुपया दिल्ल्या. साखळे एरियेचोच.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Narendra Modi-led government is capable of containing COVID-19 situation in the nation. The BJP came out on Tuesday to announce this on the heels of a containment zone being declared in Vasco and the country seeing the highest spike in positive cases.
According to State Unit President Sadanand Tanawade, the COVID-19 cases in India equated to the population of 130 crore is less compared to other countries, and the recovery rate is better than other countries. The party also said central government had handled the issue of repatriation of stranded Indians and migrants issue very well.
एखादें लॉकडावन सांगपाक खूब इजी आसता, पण ते केल्या नंतर देशाची इकॉनॉमी आसत, पयशाचो विशय आसत, कारण एखादें सगळें करता आसतना हें सगळें करचें पडटलें हें तांकां खबर आसून सुद्दां तेंच्यांनी ज्या तरेन योग्य टायमाचेर योग्य डिसिजन घेतलें आनी लॉकडावन हें सुरवातीक तांच्यांनी 22 मार्चाक हे जनता कर्फ्यू डिक्लेअर केलो आनी 25 मार्चा नंतर 31 मे पर्यंत हे लॉकडावन दवरल्यामुळे बरोचसो पॉझिटिव्ह जावपाक लागून जो कंट्रोल जावपा आसलो तो कंट्रोल जालो गेलो. आमी पळयतात की आज देशा भितर 2 लाख पॉझिटिव्ह आसात पेशंट, पण आमचें पॉप्युलेशन 130 कोटीचें जर पॉप्युलेशन पळयलें आनी ज्या तरेन रिकवरी रेट जर पळयलो जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता आमी कंपेर टू ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड भारत देश हो त्या निमित्तान बरो आसा. ह्या नेबरींग कंट्रींक सुद्दां मदत करप हें तांच्यांनी फाटीं फुडें न पळयता तांकां मागीर वेगवेगळे मेडिसिनाच्या बाबतींत हें आसत मदत आसत ही सुद्दां तयारी आनी हे सुद्दां मदत आमच्या देशान आमच्या पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदी हांच्या नेतृत्वान ह्या सरकारान बाकीच्या वर्ल्डाक सुद्दां केल्ली आसा ही सगळ्यांत म्हत्वाची आसा. रेल्वेचें हॉस्पिटल तयार करप जाचो संबंद देशभरान संबंद जगभरान त्याची चर्चा सुरू जाली आनी सगळ्यांचो ह्या विशयाचेर एक बऱ्या तरेचें खंबीर नेतृत्व योग्य वेळाचेर योग्य निर्णय घेणारे नेतृत्व अशा तरेचो छाप संबंध जगभरान तेंचेर पडलो गेलो.
Tanawade also spoke about the achievements of Modi government during its 2-year term. Tanawade says it was only government which took bold decisions like abrogation of Article 370 for Jammu and Kashmir, CAA, Ram Mandir and containments of COVID-19. He also claimed that under the Modi regime a befitting reply was given to terrorists.
आर्टिकल 370च्या हातूंतल्यान हे काडल्यानंतर एक जम्मू काश्मीर आणि लडाख अशो 2 युनियन टेरिटरीज जाल्यो आणि जम्मू काश्मीर आणि लडाख हे भारत देशाचोच एक भाग आसा अशा तरेचो कानून अशा तरेचो कायदो ते लागू जालो. सिटीजनशीप अमेंडमेंट ॲक्ट ह्या विशयाचेर ज्या तरेन हिंदू आणि बाकीचे सगळे बाकीच्या देशा भितर ज्या तरेन अन्याय जातालो तांचेर अशा लोकांक म्हणजे त्या वेळार आफ्टर लिबरेशन जाल्या नंतर बरेचशे पोर्तुगीज आमचे पाकिस्तान आसत बांगलादेश आसत या अफगानिस्तान आसत ह्या सगळ्या देशा भितर हिंदूंचेर आनी बाकीचे मायनॉरिटी सीख आसत क्रिश्चन आसत ह्या सगळ्यांचे पारसी आसत हांचेर जो अत्याचार जातालो तेजेर एक आळो बसचो आनी मोठ्या प्रमाणात घुसखोर जे आसात तेंचेर एखादो एक कंट्रोल येवचो म्हणून सिटीजनशीप अमेंडमेंट ॲक्ट हे बिल ह्या सरकारान गेल्या वर्षभराच्या कालावधीन पास केलें.
And with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log in website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, and subscribe our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa365.